In this video, we'll show you how to change the power window switch on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the door. Next, using a car trim removal tool, remove the plastic cover located on the interior door handle. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 7mm socket, unscrew the 4 power window switch plastic trim bolts. Then lift it. Remove the power connector from the power window controls. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Then remove the door lock connector. To do this, start by pulling on the red tab, then on the connector. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using the car trim removal tool, lift the 4 clips holding the power window controls to the plastic trim. Then, remove the power window switch from the plastic trim. You can order the power switch used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new part and install it on the plastic trim. Reconnect the power connectors. Verify the correct operation of the assembly. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the door panel and screw it back on. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the interior door handle. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.